Hey you skellywags, I've got this big box here to open, and just to show how big the box is, I've got this custom Space Wolf I've been working on. So you can see in comparison how large this box is. It's come from Joy Toy. It's got a few goodies inside, I'm sure. If you're new to the channel, you may be thinking, who or what is a Joy Toy?
Shut up and sit down.
Joy Toy is a Chinese company founded in 2015. They are described as a science fiction mecha model toy brand and produce highly detailed adult collectibles in 1/25 scale, recently in 1/12 scale, but are most known for their fine work and contributions in 1/18. In just a few years, Joy Toy have amassed a huge backlog of vehicles, mecha, transforming mecha, and a diverse range of figures from differing genres. The most recent success being their partnership with Games Workshop and Warhammer 40k. Their output of collectibles is unprecedented, with no signs of slowing down. RIP to all the wallets around the world. So without further ado, let's get this bad boy opened up. I want to give a big thanks to Joy Toy for sending this over to me, and a huge shout out to Awesome Action Toys, who put in a good word and has been a big supporter of the channel ever since I was a wee small channel with less than 100 subscribers. So I do know what's in this box, but I'll believe it when I see it. This one here will come out. Oh yes, look at that, brand new Tuxin Shen. I've been looking forward to this one. I've actually got this pre-ordered already from Locker Toys, so may very well do a giveaway on this, so keep an eye out on that. Get this cellophane off. So ever since the prototypes leaked of these, I've been really looking forward to this. Look at that. I do like this box, the design of it, the artwork on the front. And next one is, yep, Lady Counterparts, Yun Yu Queen. So both of these are brand new bucks. They've announced two other new ones coming out before the end of the year, which I'll also be grabbing. These two look like a great start. I think they're still part of the Dark Source line, but look more sort of historical kind of Chinese designs. Those look at that, martial arts type look. All the bits you get with her. Next up, bigger box, yes. Orc Commandos, Comms Wagzuk. Saw a review recently by AC Studios, and this guy looks better than I thought he would. Well, I'll see for myself soon. And this even bigger box, Flamer Guy. Look how big that is compared to that box. Quite hefty. good weight to them. So look at that. Huge. Last one, and it's a box within a box. This one's a big boy. Actually, what I think I'll do before I open that one up, I'll get these guys open because they're massive boxes too. So let's get these out of the way. Probably won't fit on my normal video review station, so let's take a look at these boxes here. We'll be doing videos of all of these. There it is, Burna Boy, Rag Rob. All the bits there. Oh, look at that. It is quite heavy. Look how huge the accessory is. Get him in there. Looks so good in person. Yeah, we'll have a better look at him, and then we'll do reviews on all of these. This guy open. There we go. So I was actually going to buy 2 of these, but then I had to refrain due to budget and all that. So loads of stuff has just been announced that I wasn't going to. I decided not to pre-order 2 of them I was going to get. But luckily, Joy-Toy sent these over, so I get to check them out. This guy looks pretty cool as well. They've got more of that sort of modern look. It works really well. They look really fantastic in person. Can't wait to play about with these guys a bit more. Alright, let's get this. Actually, while I'm here, might as well get the other 2 open. Check out what they look like from inside the box. First look. Sky. Oh yeah. Oh, accessories there. Hands. Not really too much of a fan of hand accessories, but I like his dynamic hands that he comes with. The additional ones. Look at that. Yeah, looking forward to playing with this fella. And we've got her. She's got an extra bit there, little baggy with her whips and hands. Saucy. Look at her. Got a cape and everything. They remind me of, remember Big Trouble in Little China? Or like Lone Wolf and Cub, Ben 10 Ray. Should do a 3rd one with one of those hats. Right, now for this. Look at that. Warhammer. Can you guess what it is yet? So this is my first Warhammer mech. Oh, look how beautiful that box is. Redemptor. Dreadnought. I'm blown away that Joy-Toy has sent these things to me, especially this massive Warhammer mech. Really looking forward to doing a video of this. Just for your information, Joy-Toy have not asked me to do anything specifically for them. Just do a review and give my honest opinion I think with this one, gotta get it open right now and have a quick look at this. Because I can't wait. Beast. I think this one does look the best out of what I've seen from the mechs. I think the Invicta one is probably another one I wanted to get. And Bjorn, the Fell-Handed. From the Space Wolves. But this Redemptor looks awesome. Oop. Right. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that size. It's a big boy. Chunky. Oh, this arm bit. I suppose you just pop that in. Look at him. Satisfying clicks. Alright, that just goes in there. And this bit. The top. Like that. Lovely. Full of lovely, satisfying clicks all around. It should stand nicely. Look at that. Brilliant. Panels come off there. You're supposed to do that? Just pops in easily anyway. Nice, clean paintwork. Yeah, massive guy. So it's really kind of wide. I've got two other mechs that are quite tall, but look really slim and skinny compared to this guy. Articulated fingers. Nice work all around. So I love with Joy Toy, they do make the effort making each things look to a certain standard. I know some people say obviously they could improve, but compared to some of the stuff I get, this stuff is really well done. Quality. This will make a fine centerpiece in your Ultramarines collection, or any collection. Dwarf over most figures, unless it's like 1/6 scale or something, but still, we'll give 1/6 scale a run for its money. So let's have a quick closer look at the other figures. Here's a bit of a closer look at the other 4 figures I got from Joy Toy. So we'll just have a quick look at them right now, and I will do full reviews on all of these soon. I was in the middle of doing a 118 toy news vid, but I think I'm going to be a bit distracted. Let me know in the comments which of these you'd like to see first. I may do these 2 first. I don't know if I'll do one video or a video each. We'll have a look. But this guy, I love this look. It reminds me of Jubei from Ninja Scroll with that hat, or the Chinese version. There's a backpack and everything. See, this just goes on the top. You can sort of secure it around the head bit there. You just push it a bit, but just this face, I love it. It reminds me of Ryu from Street Fighter. Those eyebrows. But I really love, look at all the sort of layered bits there. It just looks so badass. These have all got a great articulation as well. These two specifically. It's a shame you can't put anything in there. I would have liked to have had this so you can store the hands in there. But it looks really cool. This can be removed just through there, but again, I'll show it in the review. Just now, it's just a quick look. This one on him. For her, she's got this cool cloak thing that just goes around everything she's wearing. There's a little face in there. Her hat's a bit more difficult to get on because of her hair. So, there you go. She's got a ponytail and all that. Around here. This goes, like, just like that, looks a bit weird. So, you do have to put the hat on really for it to look okay. But that just literally goes over the shoulders. This bit can clip off. But I like how they've given thought to how the weapon would come out there as well. So it just sticks out on the side. But let's have a quick look at her too. Nice little. Oh yeah, so you can store the whip and this sword thing on the back. But yeah, we'll go through that in more depth in the review. Oh, that little bit of green in there too. This is a little bit more malleable, softer than what he used on this guy. I should got like this boot rolled down, this one's up. Ponytail's cool. Yeah, these two look awesome. Right, oh, put these guys at the back. Let's take his hat off. And this guy. So, from the review from AC Studios, apparently this, I thought this was just like a comms kind of gadget, but apparently not, it's a weapon, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I thought maybe it was just this was to get signals or something. It looks like he's got is that a phone on top of his head? But these guys, they do have this sort of like cartoony kind of look, but in person they just feel so substantial. The elbows I'm not a fan of, but it does give really good range of movement. His tiny little legs, they've all got like small little legs. Huge upper bodies. We'll do comparisons with a few Space Marines with his review. Yeah, very easy to put on the stuff. Very minimal, sort of no trouble at all really. And then this guy. Love that he's got this oven mitt there, and if you can see here, he's got like this scarring on this arm, probably because he's burned himself so much holding this thing. This helmet is awesome. Funny that could be removable. Loving the look of these guys. So much fun. This thing is huge and it's heavy as well. But it doesn't weigh him back. I've not had any trouble because he's such a sturdy figure that I've not really had him topple over like that because of the weight of the of this thing. Very solid. Great stuff. So yeah, expect reviews of these at some point soon. And also, this thing. Another thanks to Joy Toy for sending this stuff out. Awesome Action Toys. Also, go check out his channel. I have a link in the description if you're not already subscribed. You should be. He's like one of the top guys that does 118 stuff.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll scale you later.